Well, a new phase of the legal battle over President Obama's executive action on immigration playing out today in federal court. At issue, his controversial bypassing of Congress, which would allow more than 4 million undocumented immigrants to remain in the United States and, in fact, get work permits. Texas and 25 other states now urging the judges to keep a temporary hold on that program in place. Casey Stiegel is live in Dallas following this. Casey, what do we expect in court today?
Well, Greg, we can expect arguments will be made before this special three-panel of judges that have been put together down at the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals in New Orleans, though we have been told not to expect any kind of a decision today. But let's bring you up to speed on the backstory as to why this is at the appellate court in the first place. The Department of Justice is asking for a stay on a federal judge's injunction, which currently blocks President Obama's executive actions on immigration from moving forward. Those actions, as you said, would shield as many as 5 million illegal immigrants in this country from deportation. So Texas, along with 25 other states, sued the feds, questioning whether the president had full authority to bypass Congress and act on this alone. That federal judge agreed.
We are concerned about just the violation of federal law, the violation of the Constitution. If a president is allowed to begin doing this, I mean, it sets the precedent for future presidents to act outside of their constitutional authority and outside of federal law.
Now, each side will get 1 hour to present its case in this extremely rare and expedited hearing, Greg.
Well, Casey, what do supporters of the president's executive actions have to say?
Well, dozens of what are called amicus briefs have been filed with the court. Those are essentially official documents, in this case supporting the president's plan. Among those who have filed, more than 180 House Democrats, various mayors from across the country, including there in New York City, even county and city governments here in the state of Texas. For example, the Dallas County Commissioners Court voting to support the president.
Those of us who are here, where the rubber meets the road in local government, don't think it helps us do our jobs to push people further into the shadows and make it harder for us to get information from them.
The Department of Justice not commenting at this point, as this is ongoing litigation, Greg.
Well, we'll wait and see what happens. Casey Stiegel. Thanks, Casey.